Till now, we have discussed for one binary variable. Now, we will discuss multiple binary variables. So we can create a data set, for example, B1, dat bar, select. We will select some multiple binary variable, for example, asset, bike, motor, refrigerator, big, motor, and one categorical variable like ACS. So if we select here B1, yeah, four variable, three binary variables, and one categorical variable. So we have to use pivot function. Pivot function. Why pivot function? Then that will be the long format. For example, calls C is equal to just we will copy binary variables. Then we will give a common name. Common name, for example, name2 is equal to asset and value2 just value. So if we run an error, yeah, this is called long format. Asset is a bike, motor, again bike, motor. This is called long format data. Now it's very easy to calculate percentage or plot, etc. GRO group by ACS, comma, asset. Then summarize P is equal to mean of value. Just we calculate the common value. This is the common value 0, 1. Hundred because we will use percentage now. Group will be dropped. Drop. So if we run error, no error. So yeah, this is our summary table. Bike, motor, freeze, bike, motor, freeze, bike, motor, freeze. Poor, middle, reach. Now we will use this summary table for our graph, but we have to modify this. Bike means, motor means, refrigerator means, that's it. We have to, how to change? Mutate. Here, value factor is equal to value. Label is equal to C. We have to use these three value. So here we use variables And here we use the name of asset. So we have to use quotation. Quotation. Then label C. Now we have to give the name bike, motorcycle, tree. So we'll copy. We'll copy from the what previous data set. We'll copy from here. Bicycle. B should be bicycle. Then motor. Then refrigerator motor. Cycle. So if we run value not found, what is the problem? Oh, sorry. It will be asset. Sorry, asset. Sorry. It is the asset. It will be asset. Yeah, asset. Now we can check. Yes, bicycle, motorcycle, replace. So please see the syntax. These are summary table. Now we will create B1, ggplot, AES, Y is equal to P, X is equal to ACS, and field is equal to asset plus geom column. Now the properties are same. So we can copy from previous. For example, we can copy from full. We can copy from full. Just we have to change the name. So here, these are percentage. Okay, percentage. X means ACS. X means ACS. So X means ACS. Film means asset. Film mean asset. Name. Assets name. Asset name or name of asset. Name of asset. All will be same. Yeah. This is the bar diagram for multiple binary outcome by a categorical variable. So the code is same. Just we have to change the variable name.